What up, squad? It's your boy CKid. Now, when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, y'all, we got more secrets because, you know, they just keep rolling on in. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys also some of the best ways to claim yours, as it is expected to be a tough item to get due to today's shortages, y'all. And yes, that is still a problem out here. So now, y'all, we are just a few days away from Samsung's Unpacked event, and I'm going to be bringing y'all here all of the info on it. It's going to be your one-stop shop for all of the Samsung stuff that comes out. So make sure you guys are subbed to the channel for all of that. Now, before we actually get started, y'all already know the rules by now. Go ahead and sledgehammer on that like button right now, as one of my peeps say in the comments. I see you out there, and let me know how many likes is on this video at the time that you guys are watching it, and I appreciate you. All right, y'all, so there are three things I want to cover with y'all in this video. So let's go ahead and start with number 3, and we're gonna work our way down. Now, the first thing we got to talk about is from a reputable leaker, y'all, called Ice Universe, who's saying that all of the Galaxy S22 versions will include X-axis linear motors on them. So CKid, what the heck is that? You know I don't know all of these over-the-top techie terms. You know, that stuff just go right over my head. See, that's what you got me for. Now, in plain Jane English, y'all, is basically saying that the haptic feedbacks on these devices right here will be a whole lot better than what we've got in the past. So when you guys are actually typing out a text to a friend, or you guys are replying to an email, just putting that fire caption on that IG or Twitter post, then the response you guys get back from each keystroke is going to be way more defined. Also, y'all, with the S22 Ultra including that S Pen, I'm actually really curious on how will they actually implement that haptic feedback when it comes to writing out a note, or just switching to different pen tips, or just the basic phone navigation. Right now, the best phone that actually does that for me is the Pixel 6 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, it has some of the best haptic feedback that you guys can get on a smartphone right now, so I am hyped to see how they're actually going to implement this over, you know, on that top over the techie term that, you know, we said earlier. All right, y'all, so number 2 one is a big deal, because finally Samsung is stepping in the right direction with this and optimizing their cameras to be used on third-party applications. And the first application up that they are partnering with is Snapchat. Now, Samsung and Snapchat will be partnering up, as it is confirmed, to optimize their phone's brand new camera tech, as well as the features to be natively used within Snapchat. Now, this is a huge deal, right? And a major step in the right direction, because in the past, if you guys were to use a Galaxy device using Snapchat or IG, the video and the photo quality would just be trash, y'all, if I'm just being honest. So the reason why this is a huge and big deal is because now we are able to use Samsung's native camera in there, as well as giving us access to Samsung's new features like Night Videography, clear lens feature that we talked about with that Gorilla Glass in my previous video. Now, this will also allow us to get better photos overall. But CKid, what about video? See, you know, you guys are already ahead in this video. I was about to talk about that. Just calm down. This better quality will also be applied to video as well, which again gives us features like the new Night Videography that's supposed to be dope, as well as we're going to be able to use Samsung's Space Zoom feature for those of you people out there that just like to use that. So this overall, y'all, means that there's going to be no more low resolution pixelated videos and photos like there's been in the past. Finally. Now, although this is just Snapchat, I can eventually probably see a collaboration happening, as well as a partnership with Instagram as well. I mean, it is like too popular of an app for them not to do that, right? But again, until that happens, I just want you guys just to use the native camera app first, and then you can just upload it from your camera roll to get the best photos and videos possible for IG until they optimize it. All right, y'all, and the number 1 thing that I want to share with y'all from this video, man, that I think you guys should know about, and that is Samsung has very high expectation when it comes to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and here's some of the things that you guys should be aware of. Now, the first thing you should do is make sure you have your reservations in place, and I'll have a link for you guys down in the description section below where you can sign up for this and reserve your spot. Now, this is free and just allows you to be one of the first people to be able to put your pre-orders in when it is released. Now, this is a crucial step, y'all, to get your spot in line, as well as they're giving away free $50. So that way you can get this free money. You know, you can buy you some Galaxy Buds or some cases or whatever you guys want to buy. Now, the next thing you guys should know about when it comes to the release of this phone, according to a known leaker, is that it is possibly expected to take up to 3 months if the orders get too crazy out there, which is just wow, because that would be worse than the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was. Because I remember seeing those people posting about finally getting the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it was like mad late. Now, again, this is all based on speculation, because I don't really know what will happen until it happens, right? But I'm just trying to prepare the squad to be ready when this bad boy drops. Let's just hope it's just not going to be like a sneaker drop, because we all know how those be.